Take two.
Hey guys, OneManOneCamera here. How's everyone doing? Today is November 25th, about 3 p.m., 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm wearing my Hamburger U shirt. Well, not really Hamburger U. I bought it at Sears for like 12 bucks once. Anyway, long time no see. How's everyone doing? I wanted to come by, have a brief chat about what's going on. But first, let's talk about Colorado and their brand new In-N-Out shop. And did you guys see the video? They were waiting in line for up to 12 or 14 hours for a burger and fries. Don't get me wrong, the place is delicious. But 12 to 14 hours, well, past 20 minutes really, for a burger and fry does seem somewhat excessive. Ice cold Coca-Cola. Eat and chat, okay? Eat and chat today. Like I said, it's November 25th. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving Day. Hope you all are happy wherever you are. I ordered a double today. No cheese, no onion. Check it out. You can get, for those in Colorado, you can get grilled onions on these things, but I didn't want grilled onions today, so. Or a big hunk of uncooked raw onion. So some folks like it. Not for me. Huh. Coloradans, I hope you enjoy In-N-Out Burger. I know you can't wait. Sorry, guys. Oh! 3 o'clock and all is well. This double, the burger, the fry, and the cola, $7.69, which feels like a fair price. I guess you all have heard that the governor of Nevada, Sisolak, has put Nevada on a 3-week pause. In short, what it means is that all places will go down to basically 25% of capacity. And I believe that shows are limited to 50 people maximum. I think that's what it said. So remember, we just opened up in November. Well, right, they just started having things go on in November, beginning of November, with different shows and social distancing, maximum of XYZ, but now that's gone because the reported cases of the virus have spiked like a son of a gun out here across the state. Well, I believe across the state. And so he says, well, you know what? Let's do a 3-week pause now, okay? Because even though this is the really kind of dead season in Nevada anyway, the dead season in Las Vegas, where people don't travel here as much under normal circumstances. So is it a good time to do it? Yes, no, okay, whatever, right? And so that's going on now, right? People gave a lot of flack for that. And there are some who say, hey, that's a mistake. And some who say, good. But of course, the issue is, you know, a lot of folks don't have any money. Or whatever money they had has, you know, dried up or is drying up since, I guess, when we first closed down in March. A lot of people's jobs are just gone, you know, because Vegas, or our main industry, the main industry in Las Vegas is entertainment. And you shut down the casinos and hotels and so on. And that's a lot of people just with nothing, you know, because the industry says, you know, we just can't have people working here, you know, your bartenders, your cleaners, you know, and people we never even see who work behind the scenes are just, you know, out of work and out of a job right now. And then I don't know about the pandemic, you know, what do you call it? Unemployment insurance, that's going to run out for people, I guess, in December is when the funding stops, something like that. So I guess it's across the nation, right? But it's really, really bad here because I can see it here. You know, I can only see video other places. Not being selfish, but you know, you always take care of your immediate area first, wherever you are. That's what you see every day. You know, so I don't know, you guys. And I've been fortunate. My little job is still there. you know, and do my little work, whatever. But you know, really lucky. A lot of folks just completely out of luck, you know, completely out of luck. So that's really the news in Vegas. Everything's cut down to like 25%. That's the general idea of things. I'll get into details of what hotels are doing. Oh, and also, some hotels are closing during the midweek. I think it was Mandalay Bay in the park, I forgot. Anyway, how they work it is that they close on Monday at noon and then reopen on Thursday at noon. I believe that's how it works. Okay, now the general occupancy rate in Las Vegas right now is about 66% on the weekends, and then it just bottoms out to 38% during the week. So net is probably what, 44% maybe, you know, maybe, for the last like 30 days or so, which is really too low. So in order to cut costs, save some money, see how things work out, they decided to close some of the hotels will close during the those days I mentioned. Now, I believe their casinos will still be open, but you will not be able to stay in their hotels. You know, guys, it's tough all around because the money's not there. The money's not there, and you know, and I know a lot of you guys who watch are probably in management somewhere, and you know, it's tough. There are days when, you know, you want to help your employees, but when you're staffing, but there's no money coming in, and you know, so I don't know, you guys, it's just going to be tough. Now, as far as the what do you call it, the vaccine. Okay, so let's hope that comes online really quick. A lot of folks won't take it for whatever reason. A lot of folks will take it, but I was reading somewhere and they said, well, one thing about the vaccine, maybe, hopefully, it will prevent you from catching it if you take it yourself. But I think they're not sure if it will prevent you from spreading it. So you could be somewhat immune to the effects of the virus, but you could still have it and just spread it to those who didn't get the vaccine. So, rocking a hard place, right? A lot of folks don't like vaccines. That's their thing. Okay, fine. A lot of folks say, whatever, give me the shot, let me go on my merry way. But I don't know, you guys. This is a toughie, you know, because this virus is just a lot of folks. Like my kid's sister is a nurse. All right, my brother is a nurse. Okay, so I don't think they work with the virus itself, but they do, you know. They're in the industry, so to speak, and they're like, nah, man, don't even mess around. They say, don't even fool around. Now, I know it's controversial because other people say, well, it's okay, don't worry about it, and blah, 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 blah. Okay, fine, you know. And there's still these videos of folks not wanting to wear masks inside of supermarkets or whatever, you know, and so on and so on. The thing is, you guys, here's the thing. Most staff members, probably the vast majority of staff members do not want to fight somebody or argue with someone not wearing a mask. You know, if they say don't wear a mask, don't wear a mask. I'm sorry. If they say wear a mask, wear a mask. Huh. Damn in and out. If they say wear a mask because they don't want to argue with you. You know, and if you have a medical condition where you can't wear a mask, then you should have a great group of friends who can go shopping for you. You say, look, I need some milk, cheese, and eggs, and blah, 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 from ABC store. Here's a couple of bucks. Go and get that for me, and you know, and I'll be appreciative. And that's it. But it's Thanksgiving, so nice segue, right? It is Thanksgiving. Please thankful that you can watch my videos, haha, and be thankful you're still alive, haha, and I hope your families are okay and everything else. I'm thankful. You know, my family's okay. You know, my mom's way up there. Hope she watches these videos too. She's way up there, but she's still in good condition. You know, so my brother, my sister, they're nurses. They're still in good condition. My other sister works for a hospital. They're in good condition. My nieces and nephews are all in good condition. You know, my brother-in-law in good condition. So I'm really lucky. You guys know I had my retina stuff this year, and it feels okay. You know, it didn't disappear or completely collapse or just detach and run away. That's okay still. You know, so far, touch wood for that. You know, got my little job, which, you know, thankful for that because it does help pay the bills and that sort of thing. So, you know, I'm just thankful for what little bit that I have, and I hope all you guys are thankful for what you have, whether you're, you know, the super rich or the not so rich, or just, you know, hanging on, I'm happy you're hanging on. All right, you guys. Oh, I'm thinking about doing a since it's a low season now and slow season, probably good deals to be had at these hotel rooms. I might do a staycation somewhere, but this ain't won't be your typical YouTuber staycation in some glorious hotel overlooking the strip. I might do Motel 6 or the Super 8. I don't know, you guys. I'm thinking about it. But I bring my cheap camera, not the good one, right, just in case. Haha! All right, you guys. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care wherever you are. Stay safe. Wear your mask. Sound like the guy, what's that guy's name? That TV show I used to like. The Amazing Race. I used to love that show. Stay safe. Travel smart. And whatever else he says. Great show. Oh. And whenever you get the sniffles now, you're like, wait a minute. Am I okay? Am I all right? You know, like I say, guys, I do hope everyone stays safe and everything else, and stay out of trouble, and your family. Since, like I said, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Have a good time. Enjoy yourselves. Whatever you're doing, I hope you don't eat too much. Well, eat a lot. Just relax, right? If you can, or whatever, and just talk to your friends and family. Call everyone up. Say hello. What's up? You know, say one man, one camera. So I should give you a call. I'm giving you a call. And they'll say, who the hell is one man, one camera? That's it. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day. I am going to the liquor store because tonight I'm gonna get lit up. Well, you know what I mean. It's Rot Gut Wednesday night. I'm gonna cut that part out.